So if I'm going to be using 8 counters, and I want to find 1/4 of a set of 8 counters, what's the first thing that I'm going to look at? What's the first number of my fraction that I'm going to look at? This is my fraction. The top number or the bottom number? Which one? Yes? The bottom number. Take a look at the bottom number. And my bottom number is a 4. Right there. What am I going to do with that bottom number? What am I going to use that bottom number to do? Yes?
You're going to make 4. You're going to put 4 in one group.
Okay, I'm going to split my groups up into 4. Split the group up into 4s. So I've got 4 here, then I've got 4 here. So I've got 2 groups of 4 that I can work with here. Okay, and then which number am I going to look at? Yes? Okay, the one which is the top number. So then I have to look at the top number. And I need to take one of my counters out of each group, because it's just a 1. Okay, so if it says how many counters is that, how many counters is that? Show me with your fingers. Great, 2. Alright, look, 2 counters. Now what if it had said, what if the problem asked you to show 2/4 instead of 1/4 of this group of dominoes? What if it had asked you to show 2/4? Still, which number are you going to look at first? Yes? The bottom number. And what's the bottom number? Still?
4.
It's still 4. Okay, so we look at the bottom number, it's still 4, I make my groups of 4. Okay, then which number am I looking at?
The 2.
The 2, which is the
Top number.
the top number. Okay, and that's 2. So I'm simply going to move 2 of my counters. Okay, and how many counters did I move? Show me with your fingers, how many counters did I move? Okay, I moved 1, 2, 3, 4 counters. So if it asked you how many counters is 2/4, then you would say 4. 4 counters. Okay, so that's how you're going to do this lesson 8-1, this fraction review.